Exercise, yoga, and meditation is known to prevent cancer in our body. So, how does this do? I also like to talk to you about how to prevent breast cancer. What is this prevention? Because breast cancer causation or risk factors, there are certain fixed risk factors. Being a woman, age, which we cannot change, or exposure to radiations, already that has happened. But what can change is being obese. Obesity is one of the risk factors for breast cancer. So losing weight is very, very important, which can prevent breast cancer. Vitamin D deficiency, extremely important. If you have vitamin D deficiency, you get it checked first. If you're getting body pains, fatigue, tiredness, overweight, that means you're getting vitamin D deficiency, because vitamin D is very important for immune system of the body. So what else? Diet, nutrition. Because eating a lot of oxidant diets and bad foods can cause inflammation in the body, and it will take away the raw material for the immune system of the body. So a good diet, antioxidant diet which contains rice, vegetables and fruits and fish if you're non-vegetarian is very, very important. Foods that can cause harm are basin-like foods which cause a lot of bloating and acidity, so should be avoided. Too much lentils should not be taken. Lentils should be taken only in the form of sprouts. That is very helpful. Curd is good, but too much of milk products that contain hormones is not good for the breast. So you should avoid a lot of milk containing foods like sweets and bakery items. So this is about the diet. And next is exercise, yoga and meditation is known to prevent cancer in our body. So how does this do? Actually pumps blood supply to all parts of the body, including the breast. And this helps in fighting the breast cancer cells in early stages through immune system. There is also one concept, intermittent fasting, you must have heard. One of the Japanese scientists got the Nobel Prize for this, saying that if you do intermittent fasting, you lose weight, and it also increases the apoptosis, self-killing of the breast cancer cells. So exercise and diet is very helpful in preventing breast cancer. If you have any breast issues, you can always approach Apollo Spectra, and I'm available every day in the outpatient. Thank you.